I like that CppCon can dive really deep into the intricacies of the language compared to a more broad overview of computer science in general. I think CppCon is absolutely worth it to attend. If people are having doubts about attending, I think that the best case for attending is being able to see and experience the new advancements in C++ as they're happening.
Hey everyone. So my talk is about a project that I'm doing at UC Berkeley. And my talk, yep, go Bears. My talk is going to focus on the topic of fine-tuning language models that generate code. And fine-tuning these models for domain-specific tasks. So I'll just call them models from here on. So there's 3 lightning strikes in this talk. Why fine-tune? How we do this, and why experiments are important for our industry right now. So what do I mean by domain-specific? I mean specialized models. I mean languages and situations that don't have excellent coverage in the traditional language models. Things that are not covered like C++ and certain patterns. Languages for GPU programming that I use, like Mojo, or complex Kubernetes clusters where things are just not that simple anymore, or in secure environments where egress is not an option. I should have said there's memes in this presentation, disclaimer. But how do you fine-tune something that's already working? LLMs are perfect enough, right? The LM benchmark number go up. It's already working, right? Well, it depends on what your definition of is. So how do we define what is? We take a cue from design thinking, and we interview people, talk to humans, see what they're doing, see how they're feeling. I'm not going to read these quotes, and some names have been changed to preserve people's privacy, but you pretty much get the gist. It's meh. So after we've talked to humans, and after we've taken a sample, we can reach for tools that are tried and true, like proper experiments. To help us avoid benchmark overfitting, to give us more than numerical benchmarks. A proper experiment is one with a control, a treatment. We can ask detailed questions. So with this framework, I ask, not only did the code run, the generated code, but did it work? And no, seriously, did it actually work? And like, for real. Did it actually really work? And when? And how often? So a proper experiment, which we all know at some level, would ask the question, does X cause Y? How much of X causes Y? And the attributes of a proper experiment contain a treatment, a control, a regression, maybe some likelihood estimators, a notion of odds, probably. So I don't have time in this talk to go into specific results, but what I can say is that a domain-specific fine-tuning intervention is probably necessary. And by leveraging experimental design, causal inference, we can ask questions and answer them like, are LLMs working for us? How can we trust them? How much can we trust them? And most importantly, how can we make them work better for our general productivity, our software development teams, and for our daily work? So far we're getting to the bottom of this with great expectations. So if the subject of fine-tuning LLMs for your specific domain interests you, I'd love to chat, and I'll try to post some notes in the show notes. Thanks, that's it.